Welcome once again to Tutorial Friday. Welcome to the channel if you are new to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my workflow. And before I dive into what I'm going to show you, I want to say a big sorry to everyone for not uploading videos in the past 2 Fridays. I was very busy with work and Easter stuff and those things. But we are back and we are back strongly. So expect videos from us this and every Friday. Okay, so today I'm going to show you my workflow. I'm going to take you through how I do things, how I get my sharp images and those things. And this image I'm going to show you was shot on Canon 90D with a 50mm lens. So if you have an entry level camera like me, please don't make it quick. Don't be shy, go out there and shoot. Okay, so without further ado, grab your laptops, grab your mouse, and if you can get yourself a juice, grab your juice and let's jump into Photoshop and make some editing. So first of all, you create a duplicate layer of the background layer by pressing Ctrl Command J, and you take your patch tool, and after taking your patch tool, you zoom into the image. Then you just take out some blemishes that are very visible to the eye. Okay. So with the patch tool, you just select an area, then you drag it to the area that you want it to locate. Okay, I think I'm done with this, so there's not much to be removed from this image. And I shot this image on Canon 90D, and is a crop sensor camera. So if someone tells you crop sensor cameras are not good, please tell them no. They don't know how, they haven't mastered their camera. That is why they are saying crop sensor camera is not good. So master your camera very well and you take good images. Even someone with full frame, high quality full frame camera. So it's all about mastering your camera and mastering your lighting. So after I'm done, let me just run my frequency separation action. Okay, I will choose a radius of 3, and then after I'm done, I'll just select the low frequency layer, and I'll pick my mixer brush tool. I'll zoom in a little, not that much. Then I'll start brushing on the image. So I'll start mixing my colors. So this one, as I said, you are mixing colors. You are not mixing it anyhow you want. You are mixing it according to the game pattern. Okay, you just keep brushing, mix it very well. Okay, and you don't have to be doing just as I'm doing. Some people will just don't like it that much. You just do it a little bit. Okay, and this image, this is the person on this image is sporting, and he's a videographer in Edmonton. So you can just go. Yeah, I think he has a YouTube channel, Dream Studios, that he does podcasts and those things. So if you're interested, you can just go give him a follow or subscribe to his channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and you can give him a follow on Instagram. And if you want inspirations, you can give me a follow on my Instagram, just Official or Cell Lenses. Okay, Cell_lenses. So I'll drop it down there so that you just drop the link below so that you just go and give me a follow and you get inspired by my works. Okay, I don't do much, but I make sure what I do makes this my professionalism. Okay, so that is it. You don't just do a lot, you just make sure what you are doing perfect, or it's just professional. Okay. Okay, so after I'm done brushing, and if I think the brushing is not sufficient in some areas, I'll just take my lasso tool and I'll select those areas. I'll go to my filter blur, Gaussian blur, and I'll choose a blur of 2 times the initial blur, which is 6. So sorry, 6. Okay, and I'll do the same for this area. For this one, I'll just right click and go to Gaussian blur. Do the same for this area as well. Okay. We come to the arm. Okay. So if at all you think this one is too harsh for you, you can just drop the opacity. Okay, so this is the before and this is the after. Then we just zoom in a little so that you can see what. This is the before, this is the after. And let me just do some small cleaning here. When you are doing all this, make sure you stay away from the edges and make sure you stay away from the eyes and also the hairs. Okay, so before, after, control, you press Control Shift Alt E to merge all what you've done. Then after I'm done with this, I'll just drop on my preset. Let me just drop on my preset. Let's go. This preset here. Okay. And presets are not meant to be just drop it on, then that is all. So presets, when you drop on the preset, you have to make some tweaks to meet what you want. Okay, just making some tweaks to meet what I want. I think I'm okay with this. Just click on OK. So this is the before, this is the after. You see how color richness the preset have given to the image. Okay, when I'm done with this, I'll just run my global dodge and then action, and I'll take my brush to make sure my flow is around 1%. Make sure your foreground color is white. Then with this, I'll just pick some eyebrow from this area. Okay, I'm not gonna do much. This is a nail. Okay. Oh, this is the before, this is the after. I think it's not that visible, but you can see. Let me just zoom in a little so that you can see what I did. Okay. And see the effect there. Okay. And let me just delete the group one. Then after I'm done, I'll just make a curve adjustment layer to add a little bit of contrast to the image again. So I'll make a sharp S curve. This is the before, this is the after, and I'll make another dodge and bend. By taking curves, then I'll take the first curve, which is the highlight, double click on it. It will take me to the layer star. Under the blending option, the blend if I'll just drag the slider from the black towards the white. And we'll zoom in a little so that I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'll just press on Alt, then click on the mouse to bring the slider apart, just to smoothen the selection. And do same for this one. Alt, then click on it to break it, then smoothen it. After I'm done with it, I'll just put them into a group. So this is the before, this is the after, but it's too much for me, so I'll just pick my make a layer mask of it. Then I'll invert the layer mask, pick my brush tool, then I brush it on the face. Then I'll reduce the part. Oh, sorry. Make sure your flow is increased. So that was the mistake I did. Make sure your flow is increased back to the normal 100%. Okay. Then I'll reduce the opacity. Then brush in the hairs. And I'll take it back to 100 and brush it on the skin. So after I'm done with it, I'll just reduce the opacity. So this is the before, this is the after. This is the before, this is the after. I just want to increase the brightness on the face. So I'll just create a curve adjustment layer, raise it towards the highlight, then Ctrl I to invert, take the brush tool, and this time I'll just brush it onto the face alone, just to increase the brightness of the face a little. When I'm done with this, I'll just go to my just draw one of my what I always like using is my camera lot. Then I'll just reduce the opacity. So before after, it's not much, but I just like using this slot a lot. Control Shift Alt E. Then so this is my workflow, and if at all you like my workflow, or if at all you want to learn more from me, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post a new video. And make sure you share my videos and give us a thumbs up, since you know how the YouTube algorithm works. Okay, give us a thumbs up, and that will help us push our video to a lot of people. Okay, so see you on the next Friday. Stay safe, keep creating and keep editing. Peace.